All right, so the business update looking strong. But Mangalam, what about Dabur then? That is really trading lower in trade, giving out cautious guidance of mid-single-digit revenue growth going forward. Give us the full picture on what they have stated.
Well, can't say the same about Dabur as far as optimism is concerned, because this time around their consolidated business grew in mid-single digits, and that was led by the Indian business, which grew in mid-single digits as well. The stock is sulking in today's trading session after having fallen 4 to 5% in the last 5 trading sessions as well, and that's primarily because if you just take a look at the internals, they're actually not bad, but some of the problems are on account of high base and geopolitical problems that the company was facing in Turkey as well as Egypt. So let's talk about individual segments of the company. The foods business did actually well, double-digit growth on a high base of 43%. We did see good growth coming in for their home and personal care business as well on a high base of around 17%. That has grown mid-single digits. But health portfolio is the one which has been muted, and that's primarily because the same time last year the demand for health products was much more because of COVID, and as a result of which we will see some muted performance out there, and that is weighing down on the overall revenue. What's also weighing down on the overall revenue, that despite strong constant currency growth, the sharp currency devaluation in Egypt and Turkey would mean translation losses for their international business, and that would impact their performance as well. The other factor that will stand out is the margins of the company. Even though they will improve sequentially and are likely to improve in the second half a lot more, year on year there has been a dip of almost 150 to 200 basis points on their EBITDA margins.
All right, Mangalam, thanks a lot for taking us through all of the details. So the Dabur stock is off the lows, but it is still seeing a cut of around 1.5%. Let's